Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to clear cache on iPhone or iPad. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you will need to go to Settings. This method works on absolutely any device. In order to clear the cache, we have to scroll down and find the Safari tab. We go here. We'll also scroll down to the bottom, and we find this tab called Advanced. At the top, click on Website Data, and as you can see, I've got cache at the top. Because I clean it regularly, I have very little cache. If you've never cleared it, you probably have a gigabyte. Some people have 2 or more. In order to clear it, we can do like this. Like this, swipe right, press delete, swipe right, and delete some sites. You may have 500 megabytes, gigabyte, 2 GB. If you want to delete everything, click Remove All Website Data. This is the simple way to delete all cache on iPhone or iPad from Safari. If they liked this video, then you can subscribe to the channel, give it a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.